Alright, so this video is for when you drop your magazine and the feed lips break, or you're having feeding trouble and it cracks right here. Alright, so you'll need a 2mm Allen head for this screw, and there's a pin here. This pin will punch out, and make sure there's no gas. So your bench block on here, take the smaller one, line that up. Do that over here. You'll see that has a little spot on it. Only goes in that way. Put that right in here. So, hold your hand over this. Undo this piece. This is the fun part. Watching somebody unscrew something. Don't know what to say. Okay, at this point, if you remove your hand, everything's going to go flying out. So lift up slowly. Try to catch the follower. That's going to come out no matter what. At least you save the parts. You don't have to search for it. And like that. Why they have a spring like this, I have no idea. Okay, so this is the mag catch system. It's not supposed to happen. This little part here, that comes out. The follower has a little clip on it. As it rides up, catches, causing that to pop up, catching the bolt. So you want to keep that together. That looks pretty good. So this is the bad part. Get rid of that. This is the good one. I guess it comes with this little piece here. This is the part number I'm dealing with. Had to order it overseas. Then you line up your magazine feed lips this way so that travels can catch into the bolt. The fun part is getting this back in. So you feed this. What I've done, just feed this down. Just slowly feed it onto this little Allen head wrench. You get your feed lips, make sure this is this way. Push that down. And this goes on. Kind of line it up on the back. Yeah, screws are lined up. So you can get your screws to hold it. Yeah, I don't trust that spring under that much pressure with one screw. So don't release your hand. So then that just goes and holds it for the second one. Don't have to torque it, you don't want to break it, but you make sure this functions. So as that magazine comes up, watch this, that'll catch the bolt. Empty magazine. And that was it. Put this back on. I'm not sure what the point of that was, but that was it. Oh wait, you gotta put that screw back. So then launch it through this way. Get it started. I use a brass hammer. And secure it, I use a bigger punch. Push that down. Make that flush. It's through on that side. That side shouldn't affect anything in the rifle. You ready to go back play?